Guys, I bought iMac 24-inch Apple desktop from Costco, and this is the original packaging. See, it's very heavy. So just open the seal here. There's a seal tab here. Just open it like this, and let's see what is inside the box. So this is the iMac. Oh, that's nice. And this is the iMac. Let's open it. Oh, iMac desktop. Let's see what's inside. What's this?
It's an Apple computer.
Apple computer. Now you have to open this seal. There's a seal here. So there's the arrow. See the arrow? So here's the arrow. So you have to click the arrow, I think here, and then pull it like this. It's opened. Here you go. And then what is the other side? So how to open the file? This side probably. Yes. So what is the other side? Is this okay? Here you go. Here you go. Wow.
Wow, this is a big box. And it says hello here.
Oh,
Hello.
so that's the Mac.
Be careful.
This is the packing box. This is for protection. And this is the actual machine here. There you go. Oh, okay.
That's
So this was like this. Goes like this. So this is the desktop. So
well packed.
so here is the seal here. Open it. Oh, do you see the arrow here? Put the arrow. Okay. Keep it here. And then take this out. Hola!
Hola. Hello. Hello.
And then there's another screen.
Looks nice.
So how do you get out of that?
I think that's the front side. You have to open it.
So here is the arrow here. See the arrow?
Oh, Yes.
So
okay. You have
put-
to always
put
follow the
the-
instructions.
Oh, that's
Be
good.
careful.
Oh, so it's screen protector.
You should keep that.
That's nice.
That's nice. Just keep it.
How do you put it?
Yeah. That's a nice protector.
Where should we put the Apple MacBook?
On the desk. Okay, and there is a keyboard here. Oh,
Oh my goodness, there's so many wires.
so look at the keyboard. It's so
Oh,
tiny.
it's a tiny.
It's a tiny keyboard.
It's a wireless one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How do you open it? Is there any-
I think there is a service system.
Uh-huh.
There is a tape, yeah.
No.
I think you have to slide it. I guess you need to slide it.
Okay. Yeah. Here is the keyboard. Look at the keyboard.
Oh,
I need it to.
it's white. Wow.
So tiny. Oh goodness. So here you got the keyboard here. And there's a cable charging.
What's that?
It's the power inlet. So it's the power connection. It's the power supply. This is here. And there's a charging cable. Here's the charging cable, power. Where is the mouse? There's another power cord.
Yeah.
So this power cord will go there, and from there it will go to the back side of the monitor. Here. Oh. And where's the mouse? Oh, here's the mouse. Where's the mouse? Here. Oh. What the hell is the original? It's all done. This is all about packaging.
This is the complete packaging? There's nothing inside?
No,
Oh,
there's no booklet or anything.
there must be some extra.
No booklet, nothing. This is all packages, packaging. It will not break.
Okay.
This is the power
And the
cord.
video?
And this is the power cord.
And then it's connected.
It's connected to the wall. This one goes to the wall. So this is the, everything is white. So this goes here. And this will go to the back side. So this is the power box. There's Apple. Oh.
Wow, it's an apple.
Yeah. So this is the converter from AC to DC. So this is the AC power. From the wall it goes here. And then it's from AC it converts to DC power. And this goes to the monitor. DC probably. 5 volt DC I think so. Let's go!
Okay, and the video?
And video you can
No,
let's put in the computer here please.
just a moment.
এটার মধ্যে ঢুকানো আছে তো
ওটা করতে হবে থাক।
বেচারা ছোট বলে মনে হচ্ছে এখানে
ওটা ইয়ের ভিতরে ঢুকিয়ে দাও।
নিচে থাকো একটু downstairs. There you go. Protection. So this, look at this hole and this power cable. Here is the power cable. Here, this is the power cable, and this is going inside. Okay, it's a magnetic. Just stuck with the magnet. Okay. Now here's the power button on the back. Look at here. Press the power button. Okay, so there. Yeah, it's starting.
Hey, that sounds like similar to a pear phone, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, it chimes like it's like similar to a pear phone.
Okay, let's
Wow.
start. It's starting and follow the instruction on the screen. And there's a cable. I think this is for charging the keyboard. So you have to connect it to the keyboard to charge it. And how the mouse gets charged? So there's charging for mouse also. There's charging port. So you
There
can
is
use,
only one charger
use this
for
cable.
both,
Yeah.
I guess.
So whichever one you're charging. What is this saying? This mouse is on or not on? So you have to touch it like this. Support of the. It's not detecting.
I think there should be something to click on and off.
Okay, stop
Yeah.
the video.
Please look at it.
Okay. So,
এই তো on হয়ে
should we stop the video?
এই তো এখানে off,
So,
on এখানে
Should we stop recording?
Also, there's no record it. So there's an on button here. See? Here, focus it on my finger. You want it like this. So green light. And now, so you follow the instruction here. Now, what is this?
Now same with the keyboard, I think we have to do. Keyboard must have some kind of similar stuff.
Here, so there's a keyboard switch. Look at here. There's a switch at the keyboard, yeah.
Oh,
So you just
Turn it
select
on.
it. Oh, it's turning green. Okay. So now set the English. Select English.
it is not working. I think it doesn't have any charge.
Okay, enter.
ধীরে।
If
Yeah.
you would like to pair a mouse or trackpad,
সবকিছু ভিডিও করতে হবে।
Probably need to charge the mouse. Has no connectivity, so it might have the mouse has no charge. So you have to connect the mouse to the charging port here through a USB-C connector. This here. Okay, and put this other side. Charge the mouse. Here you go. Is there any light? So let it charge. Is it detected now? No? Okay, charge it. Setting up a new iMac.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know.
Set up as a new. Continue. Accessibility features set up to Mac to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up and further customize them later in system settings. See what's available in each of the category below. Accessibility set up to Mac needs. You can turn them now to help you finish setting up. Vision. Open menu item, 8 item open. VoiceOver words spoken and braille description of items to complete screen and provides control of computer through the use of keyboard. Turn on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on Setup Assistant. Window. Vision has keyboard focus. You are currently on a text element.
Outdoor. So you can hit turn on. Hearing. Turn on closed caption. Use closed caption to display the music and sound effect while watching movie and TV shows. Storage one option will lock like better system setting. Test screen plus.
VoiceOver on Setup Assistant. Window. Vision has keyboard focus.
John. Turn on open over text. Pointer size. This one. This one is good. This pointer size is too big. This one is good. Pointer size. Reduce transparency. Increase contrast. Standard appearance. This increase contrast. Standard. Reduce transparency. Appearance light dark auto. This light dark auto. So let's select auto. Appearance light auto light auto Select reduce motion, standard motion, reduce motion, standard motion, standard motion. Standard motion, cognitive. What is cognitive? You write dark appearance, change the color screen content. Dark, auto, dark, cognitive. Speak selection. What is the directory on this? Okay. Cognitive. Let's select auto. Right, let's select auto. Appearance auto. Appearance light. Appearance auto. Continue. Turn to speak selection. Select text to be spoken when the option and disk are pressed. You can store the calculator adjusting setting. Text to be spoken. Select the Wi-Fi. Data privacy. Create a Mac account. Account name, password. Hello computer account password to be reset to the Apple account. You must sign in with your Apple account. And the next steps to use these features. Allow computer account password to be reset with Apple account. You must sign in with Apple account. And the next step to use these features. I don't have Apple account. You have not provided all the information. The internet must click cover everything. Create a Mac account.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Here you go. The computer is ready to use.